Guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can increase or decrease the speed of reading or the speed of lecture or video in VLC. What you want to do, you want to open your VLC and make sure to read your video. You can just click on your video, drag to VLC, pause your video anywhere, click with the right button of the mouse inside the video, check on playback option, go to speed, and in speed menu you will be able to choose either to slow down the video speed or to have it normal speed or even faster or even make it even faster. So here you will have three options. You can select which one you want. Once you click, you will see speed indicator which appeared on the right and the top, and you can just click on your video and it should start reading with that speed. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always write us an email or just write a comment and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.